All right, stop number 1 is in the books. From Monterey to Paso Robles, we are in Big Sur Station. Made a little pit stop to check out the picturesque view and hit the restrooms. Now we're on the road again. Are you having the fun I promised you?
I mean, besides cleaning up the throw up, yes.
And the this kind of thing?
No, we knew this was going to happen.
Yeah, we did. But when we come home, we're gonna take a different way. It'll be a lot faster to get home.
Yes.
2 hours instead of 3.
But not as pretty.
No, but you can look at me. All right, second stop. Let's see some elephant seals.
Chasing sunsets by the sea. Every mile's a memory in the ekko rolling steadily. Wonder why they're chasing skies so bright. Headlights dancing through the night. From mountain high to ocean blue. Every road feels fresh and new. Wonder why they wild and free. Ripley riding happily. Life's a story frame by frame. Hit subscribe. We're glad you came. Desert dust on the dashboard now. Snow-capped peaks and a roadside vow. Finding diners with neon glow. Stories only travelers
All right, guys, we just had lunch, and if you ever find yourself in Cambria, and why wouldn't you, right?
Everyone should at least once.
Go to Lynn's and get there. If you like tri-tip, oh my God, the tri-tip sandwich I just had was phenomenal. Right, I was gonna say something else, huh?
No.
What'd you have?
I had a lobster BLTA and it was very tasty.
It was very good. That's missing in my life. I didn't know it was that good. And we got some super expensive groceries. I think we got 4 items for like $100.
It's 55, but
Whoa.
still pricey.
Don't shop here, but eat here.
Yes.
hearts at ease. Rolling with the memories. Life's a story frame by frame. Every journey's worth.
We are here at Adelaide Botanicals, and they have, as promised, a little farmer's market. The smallest, cutest one you ever did see. And they've got a few things for sale. Some honey, some lavender, some little trinkets and such. We're gonna buy some honey at
It's
least.
one big community. Pack it up, let's go again. New horizons round the bend. No rewind, just forward views. Different roads, the same old shoes.
We're gonna have chili outside, but it's too chilly for chili outside. So we're doing it inside. Yeah. Right, Ripley?
Wonder why they bold and bright, rolling in the morning light. Ripley leading, spirits free. That's the way it's meant to be.
All right, so we are here at the tap room at Firestone Walker. Gonna get some lunch. Let's do it. What do we have?
We're here at Firestone Walker Brewery. We did a custom flight. We have a Pilsner. We have a Nitro Merlin, which is a stout, a milk stout. We have the Cali Squeeze, which is a orange citrus beer, which we know we like. We've had it before.
That one looks amazing.
We have a Sun Glider, which is a golden ale. And then we have a St. Hopkins.
And what goes better with beer than a pretzel? Ooh. So we're eating healthy today. I got the smash burger of the month.
I got the hot chicken sandwich, but I did get the grilled version instead of the fried version.
Okay, so that's only 1,000 calories. Let's go taste some wine. So where are we?
We're at Eberle Winery.
Oh yeah, it says right here on the glass.
It does.
Eberle Winery. And we are trying
They're Muscat.
Muscat because Johnny likes a sweet wine. So let's check it out.
We had a little plan, my baby and me, to hit the road in a shiny RV. Now the kids are grown and the bills are paid. Packed it up, hit the gas on our way. Got maps and the glove, stars in our eyes, chasing that sunset cross state lines. No more meetings, no more 9 to 5, just me and my guy. And the open sky. Watch our Winnebago go. 2 lawn chairs and a cooler in tow. From the Rockies to the Keys, chasing.
We're at Four Lanterns Winery in Paso Robles, and I just had possibly the sweetest dessert wine I've ever had in my life. I don't know how much money we have, but we're buying it all.
He's not joking.
Watch our Winnebago go. We take the back roads, we take our time, singing George Strait with a bottle of wine. Found a diner in Texas with the best peach pie, and a beach in California where the eagles fly.